Morning everyone, I am Aryabhatta from BScIT third year, and here I am here to present our project, device project known as the Robo Car. It has many hardware components. Let me tell you all. Here is the battery, switch, the two are AR sensors. IR sensors. One is ultrasonic sensor for the distance calculation, and one is servo motor for this one. You just rotate it from right to left from 180 degrees. Here is the main board, the Arduino board, and here is a small module. This is a BT module, which is used for the connection of the mobile. Because it's a mobile-based robot, and there is another circuit called motor controller. For the four motor controller, and which is used to program this. Okay. So basically, let me explain you the program. This is a program which is defined as how much the ultrasonic sensor will calculate the distance of 5 cm or 25 cm. It calculates the ultrasonic sensor which I showed you before. It calculates the distance. If some objects just come in front of it between the distance of 20 centimeters, it will get stopped there and just turn from there. And the other thing is that there is a BT connector, so we can connect with the mobile. That BT module also help us to give the voice command to the Arduino board. Then the voice command gives the command like, if you say go twice, go backward, and you have to say stop, so you have to say twice. Because every command you have to give from the voice, you have to say twice. And here my friend will give you demonstration about how this works. Here the device connected and front, back, right, left. And here we go with the voice command. Voice. Yeah. Okay. Right. Stop on it. Move on. Move on. Stop. So here is the demonstration of voice command, and here is the Arduino board. Thank you.